Wi-Fi is a technology that allows electronic devices to connect to a wireless network using radio waves. When you connect your device to a Wi-Fi network, you are able to access the internet or other network resources without the need for a physical connection, such as a cable. Here's how it works. A device, such as a computer or smartphone, sends a request to connect to a Wi-Fi network. The request is received by a wireless access point, WAP, which is a device that connects a wireless network to a wired network. The WAP authenticates the device and grants it access to the network. The device and the WAP communicate with each other using radio waves, which are electromagnetic waves that can be transmitted through the air. The device can now access the internet or other network resources by sending and receiving data through the WAP. Wi-Fi networks operate in the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequency bands and use one of several different technologies to encode the data being transmitted. The most common technology is called Wi-Fi 802.11, which includes several variations such as 802.11a, 802.11b, 802.11 grams, and 802.11n. These variations support different data rates and frequencies, and are backwards compatible with each other. I hope this helps. Do you have any more questions about Wi-Fi?